Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to create an anonymous bank account in the UK. Let's get started. Choose a UK bank that prioritizes privacy and security. Our team of experts can help you find the best bank for your needs. Open an account using a pseudonym or nickname to protect your identity. First Security Bank Solutions can guide you through this process. Use a virtual mailbox service to receive bank statements and other important documents without revealing your physical address. First Security Bank Solutions can advise you on choosing an offshore location with strong privacy laws that fit your needs. Open an offshore bank account with our help. We'll guide you through the process and provide all necessary documents. Connect your offshore bank account to your UK account for easy transfers. Our team can assist with this process. Enhance your protection and add an extra layer of privacy to your anonymous bank account in the UK by setting up a shell company with our support. Link your shell company to your offshore bank account for added security. Our team can help with this process. Transfer funds securely and confidently with our encrypted communication channels. Monitor your account activity on our secure banking platform. First Security Bank Solutions provides 24/7 access to your account. Contact First Security Bank Solutions now for expert guidance on setting up an anonymous bank account in the UK.